Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice algebra problem? From here, let a letter represent x minus 5 here. That is, we have let y be equals to x minus 5. Then we can write what is given now as y raised to power root y now equals to 5. Then from here, we can let a letter be root y here. So also let a be equals to root y. Then from there, a square, when we square both sides, a square will be equals to y. Then also we can rewrite this again now as y now, which is a square, then raised to power root y now, which is a, now equals to 5 on this side. Then from here, this power multiplies and this gives us a raised to power 2a now equals to 5 from here. Then we can take the ln on both sides here. Then ln a raised to power 2a now equals to ln 5 on this side. Then from the law of logarithm, ln m raised to power p will be equals to p ln m. Then from here, that means what we have here, we can write it as 2a ln a now equals to ln 5. Then here we can divide both sides by 2. That is, we have this side divided by 2 and this side divided by 2, so that 2 here we cancel out and we are left with a ln a now equals to ln 5 over 2. And we should note that we can equally write a as e ln a and this same thing as a. That is, when we have this, e will cancel the ln and that is equals to a. Then on this side now, we can write a now as e ln a, and what we have become e ln a, then multiplied by ln a here, then equals to ln 5 over 2. Then we can also write it and write ln a first as ln a, then e ln a now equals to ln 5 over 2. Then we can apply the W Lambert function from here. That is, when we have W function of alpha e alpha, this will be equals to alpha. Then using this relation here, then we can take the W function on both sides. That is, we have W function of, here we have ln a, e ln a, then equals to W function of ln 5 over 2. Then what we have here will simply be ln a, and which is equals to, here we have W ln 5 over 2. And also here we can take the e on both sides, and here we have e ln a now equals to a w then ln 5 over 2. And from here, recall that e ln a is same thing as A, then simply this will give us A, which is equals to E W ln 5 over 2. Then from here we can also use a relation what we have E W alpha. This will simply give us alpha over W alpha. So when we use this here, then 5 over 2 here is serving as alpha here, then this will give us A now equals to ln 5 over 2, then divided by W ln 5 over 2. Then which we can also write as A equals to, when we divide, it means we multiply by 1 over this, which will also give us ln 5 over 2, then W ln 5 over 2. Then from here, since we said let y be equals to a squared, so when we recall from here, then y will now be equals to a squared, that is we square this, which is now ln 5 over 2 W, then ln 5 over 2. Then here we have all square. Then also recall that we let y be equals to x minus 5. Then from here, x will now be equals to y plus 5. That is, here, this is y, then x will now be equals to, into bracket, ln 5 over 2w, then ln 5 over 2, close bracket, all square, plus 5. So we have the value of x for this given problem, and which when we use calculator to solve, it will give us an approximate solution to this. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget this step. Also share this video, give it a thumbs up. See you next class, and bye.